During a visit to Africa, the Rogers family faced a difficult reality. Many parents there wanted them to take their children, to adopt them, in the desperate hope that their kids could have a better life. They felt a calling, because families there were being broken apart by poverty and illiteracy. They moved their family to Ghana and began to live and work in this community they have grown to love. Other families got involved as the Rogers family began to reach out, to share in the joy that comes from service. To find ways to bring families back together. Because, well, families are forever. Families Mentoring Families was born out of this very idea, that families are at the heart of this interdependence that joins cultures, promotes world peace and understanding, and gives children the best chance at a brighter future. FMF follows proven methods that include funding microloans to promote family businesses, instituting literacy centers where parents can go to become empowered to provide for their families, and now, joining forces with other benevolent organizations to form family restoration centers. These centers have so far helped over 100 children reunite with their families. Over 100 and counting. This is the new Family Restoration Center near Kumasi in southern Ghana. This place could be the perfect environment to provide temporary homes for these families as they learn vocational and marketing skills and receive valuable instruction in financial and family education to help them become successful and supportive family units. Here's where you can help FMF in their mission to bring families together in Ghana. They've already reunited their first family. This is Elizabeth with her family. FMF has developed deep relationships and programs that have proven to help families in Ghana. You also understand the power of family, the joy of giving, and the value of education. FMF needs your help now to establish this lasting legacy. Please consider becoming a benefactor with a donation of $1,500 or more. Real change can happen in this community with your help.